Hi guys, it's Dr. Dave checking in with you on the COVID-19 pandemic from the epicenter of the disease in the United States and maybe globally, New York. So where are we at with everything? So social distancing is critical. I don't like social distancing. I like to say physical distancing because we should be in touch with each other online or on the phone. It's actually very important to be socially connected. So let's say physical distancing. Keep yourself distanced from people who are not living in your home. And if they are living in your home and they're having symptoms, same. That's number one, critical. Number two is testing. Okay, so in terms of testing, we're still way behind. We're not testing as many people as we should be, as quickly as we should be. But there are a couple of, there's glimmer of hope on the horizon. Number one is they have approved a rapid test that can turnaround time is 45 minutes. So hopefully we can do a drive-through test. You get the results in 45 minutes or around 45 minutes, and then we could make decisions on whether you should be quarantined or not. So that's very encouraging. But again, it's going to be a while to get it to the public. It's probably going to start in the hospitals and the emergency rooms. Number two is we now are able to measure IgM and IgG antibodies. So this is how it works. When you're infected, an antibody called IgM rises and then it comes down. Okay, so it's elevated with infection and then it comes down. That's IgM. IgG rises and it stays elevated chronically. It's a sign of prior infection. So this is really important because we can tell people, hey, you were infected, but now your IgM antibody, which shows us you're infected, has come down. Your IgG is high, but that's okay because it just tells us you were infected. The IgM tells us if you're actively infected. And once that IgM comes down, then we can tell you to return to work or when to return to work or how to advise you in terms of the probability of you infecting other people. So we're definitely making progress. We're way behind in terms of getting these tests out to people. We're behind in terms of hospital beds and trying to set up areas just for COVID-19 patients. So we're making progress, but we have a long way to go. It's so important to stay home if you're not ill. If you don't know, call your doctor. If there's a question, call your doctor. Before you go to the emergency room, speak with somebody. Okay, guys, so I'll keep posting. I'll check in with everyone. As I learn more, you'll learn more. And again, I'm coming from the front line. I'm in the hospitals. I'm on call today, so I'll be back and forth into the hospitals. I'm in the office. I saw patients today. So stay safe, stay home. And until next time, this is Dr. Dave.